Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome to my channel Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss Class 10 Social Science Solved Model Question Paper 3. If you want to see the other two question papers, Model Question Paper 1 and 2, you can find the link in the description box and even in the I button and also the video in the end screen. Okay, so here we have bought the series of solved model question papers for you all, which will benefit for you all for your upcoming examinations. So let's get started with model question paper 3. This will be the first half of the question paper and we will be discussing the question and answers. So stay tuned till end and do not miss any part of it. And we are going to get the series of question papers, you need to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of each and every videos which is being uploaded. Also share it with your friends and hit the like button if you like the video. One more update about subscribing to a Scorpio Class Hindi channel. In this channel, you are going to get all the Hindi class lessons explanation and question and answers, grammar videos of class 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this channel is going to be again very fruitful for you all. So to get the link, visit the description box, find the link, subscribe to channels, share it with your friends. I will also share the link in the I button above. So these were the updates. Now let's get started with model question paper 3. We have very first main here. Four alternatives are given for each of the following questions and incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet in your answer booklet. Okay, this heading is as similar to which is given in your question paper, and this is of 8 marks. You have 8 questions of 1 mark each, which equals to 8. Okay, so you have to write the option number, the letter, and the complete sentence of that particular option as an answer. So let's see question 1. The main reason for discovering a new sea route to India was dash. A. Turks captured Constantinople and levied many taxes on goods passing through Constantinople. B. Spain and Portugal were attempting to break the monopoly of Italian traders. C. The invention of compass and astrolabes. D. Constantinople came under Turkish rule. And the correct answer is option A. Turks captured Constantinople and levied many taxes on goods passing through Constantinople. Question number 2. The First World War divided the European countries into two groups known as A. Fascists and dictators, B. Democrats and communists, C. Axis and allies, D. Triple alliance and triple entity. And the answer is option D. Triple alliance and triple entity. Question 3. The General Assembly acts like a global parliament. A. To discuss world issues. B. To approve general budget. C. It consists representatives from all the member countries. Or D. It has 5 representatives from all the member countries. Correct answer is option D. It has 5 representatives from all the member countries. Next, question 4. The main reasons for female trafficking is A. Number of males eligible for marriage. B. Increase in female population. C. Dowry system. D. Abnormal decrease in male and female sex ratio. Answer is option D. Abnormal decrease in male and female sex ratio. Question 5. The proof of social inequality is A. Stratification of society. B. Inequality. C. Discrimination. D. Untouchability. And the answer is option B. Inequality. Question 6. Desert soils are not suitable for all crops because A. Have high content of soluble salt. B. They are sandy. C. Low in moisture. D. Low in humus content. Answer is option A. Have high content of soluble salt. Question 7. When we divide the national income of a country by the total population, we get dash. A. Human Development Index. B. Gender Inequality Index. C. Per capita income. Or D. Real national income. And the answer is option C. Per capita income. Next, question 8. The woman who crossed all entrepreneurial barriers and made Biocon a success is dash. A. Sudha Murthy. B. Indira Nooyi. C. Nirmala Sitaraman. D. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. And the answer is D. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. So here we get over with the first main, and now let's start the second main. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. Again, you have 8 questions of 1 mark each, which equals to 8 mark. Okay, the question number is continued. Question 9. How has India benefited from the influx of Tibetan refugees? Answer. It has enriched India's cultural diversity. Question 10. Why did India adopt parliamentary democracy? Answer. The founding fathers of our constitution believed that a parliament elected by the people of India should be the ultimate authority in governance. Next, question 11. On which principles does Indo-China relationship is based on? Answer. It is based on the principles of Panchashil principles. Panchashil principles. Question 12. In which labor sectors is the relationship between employee and employer guided by legal provisions? Answer is organized sector. Question 13. Which are the crops grown in Kharif season? Answer. Rice, jowar, ragi, cotton, groundnuts, and tobacco. So these are the crops grown in Kharif season. Next, question number 14. Mention the main factors influencing the distribution of population in India. Answer. The main factors influencing the distribution of population in India are physical features, climate, soils, resources, industries, and commerce. Next, question 15. What is inflation? Answer. A high supply of money without concomitant supply of goods leads to inflation or a period of rising prices. Next, question 16. Mention any one factor of globalization. Answer. It encourages international capital and trade, overcoming political barriers. Now let's continue with third main. Answer the following questions in 3 or 4 sentences each. Again, you have 8 questions of 2 marks each, which equals to 16 marks. Question number continued. Question number is 17. Who said untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system? This is a leprosy attached to Hindu skin. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. You can write the answer in complete sentence that the above statement was said by Mahatma Gandhi. Next, question 18. What were the effects of Chinese Revolution? Answer. The effects of Chinese Revolution were Mao Zedong became the president of China. Community farming was introduced. The government provided free health, education, and other facilities. Importance was given to science and technology. Focus on industrialization. Leap Forward program was implemented. Deng Xiaoping made many reforms in 1979, adopted capitalist principles within the framework of communism. Okay. Next, question number 19. Here you have internal choice. You have 2 questions. Any one you can attempt in question number 19. So, how did India help improve status of women after independence? Answer. India started Women and Child Development Department to develop women's education and status. Programs to curb child marriage, dowry, and compulsory education were implemented. Self-help groups of women were formed to foster social progress of women. Sri Shakti associations were formed to skill women for self-employment. Reservations for women in state and union legislature bodies and in local bodies. Reservation for women in education and government jobs. Okay. Now, next optional question here is, what is India's take on human rights? Answer: India has been advocating Universal Declaration of Human Rights at the UNO since the beginning. India has set up national and state commissions for human rights. It has also set up National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Tribes. Next, question 20, again internal choice in this question. Child marriage is detrimental to the society. Why? Answer: child marriage is illegal. Children below marriageable age are not mentally and physically prepared to manage functions of marriage. It also affects the physical and psychological well-being of children born out of child marriage. Okay, the next optional question is, the condition of laborers in unorganized sector is pathetic. Why? Answer: unorganized sector is not governed by legal provisions. No fixed time or duration of work. Wages in this sector is below minimum wages. No paid leaves, no health benefits, no guarantee of employment. Okay, so that's why the condition is very pathetic in unorganized sector. Next, question number 21. What are the factors that favor ocean transport in India? Answer: India has a long coastline. The coastline has many sheltered harbors. India is located at the center of the Eastern Hemisphere. Hence, 85% of our foreign trade is seaborne. Okay, next question 22. Give the importance of peninsular plateau. Answer: rich in minerals, forests, biodiversity. It's covered with black soil, suitable for agriculture. Peninsular plateau is influenced by southwest monsoon. Western Ghats are the source of many southern rivers. Southern rivers are useful for producing hydroelectricity. The western and eastern Ghats have many hill stations. Next, question 23. Give the importance of banks. Answer: banks play important role in economic development. They mobilize savings of the public. They provide loans to investors. They provide means of transfer of money. They offer high interest rates on fixed deposit. They provide loans at lower interest rates. They provide loans for agriculture industries and services. Consumer loans, demand drafts, credit and debit cards also are given. So these are the importance of banks. Question 24. The mixer grinder you have bought is malfunctioning. The seller is refusing to replace it in spite of warranty. Whom do you approach for redressal? Answer: District Consumer Forum. Okay, so you are going to approach District Consumer Forum wherein you can say your problem and get it exchanged. So here students, we have come to an end with the first part of this question paper and we will end the video here. I hope it was fruitful for you all. It will be very helpful for your upcoming examination, and for the part 2 you have to stay tuned with my channel. It will be soon uploaded, and if you hit like the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and Scorpio Class in the channel. Thank you.